A is for antelope. And B is for baboon. C is for cheetah running underneath the moon.
A Sonic 1, a Big Tank 0. I'm sorry.
D is for duck, and don't forget.
Duck and don't forget.
E is for elephant. Get set.
Elephant gets set.
It's the African animal alphabet. F is frequently for frog.
F for frog.
And G is for giraffe.
Giraffe.
H is hippopotamus. Here's a laugh. I is for ibis. That's a bird.
Ibis, that's a bird.
J's jerboa. Brand new word.
Jerboa, brand new word.
In the African animal alphabet. Then there's kingfisher. That starts with K.
K.
M is for lizard.
L.
Now we're halfway. M is for monkey.
M, monkey.
N is for newt.
And the newt.
O is for okapi.
Okapi.
P is for peacock.
Peacock.
He's a beaut. Q is for queen bee.
Queen bee.
And R is nice for rabbit.
Rabbit.
And for salamander, S is
The
still
word
like
salamander has 4 syllables and therefore 4 beats.
T's for tiger, what a cat.
Tiger, what a cat.
U's for umberbird, what's that?
Umberbird, what's that?
It's the African animal alphabet. Viper starts with V.
B.
And warthog W.
Warthog W.
And for Xerus, only letter X will do.
X for Cirrus.
Y's for yak, and yes, my friend.
Yak, yes, my friend.
C's for zebra at the end.
C at the end.
Of the African animal alphabet. Yes, the African animal alphabet.
Enough already, Mr. Gummy Bear. How can we help you?
Elves, we're here to help you.
You mean it?